Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right away. Get into Loomian Legacy and confirm your account and server. Once done, open your party and prepare a level 30 or higher Loreloom as bait. You need available Poke Center access nearby, so fast travel or walk to Route 1 Poke Center, then save the game. Make sure your party has at least one space for capture and a roaming charm item slot open. These first steps let you trigger the roaming charm spawn process quickly. Next, focus on movement and encounters. Repeatedly battle wild Loomians to raise the in-game encounter counter. Once you reach the threshold, stand on the designated spawn tile and use your prepared Loreloom to trigger the charm mechanic. Keep moving between nearby zones to force the roaming spawn to appear. Once triggered, observe the minimap for an icon and listen for the distinct roaming audio cue. If you see the marker, pursue it immediately. If not, finally, when the roaming Loomian appears, engage fast. Open battle, apply sleep or paralysis to maximize capture chance, then throw high-tier balls or traps. Make sure the rest of your party is healed so you don't get forced out. After capture, verify charm equipped in inventory slots. If the charm never appears or despawns, relog to the server, clear temporary game data, and repeat the encounter loop. These steps usually resolve sync glitches, so try them before abandoning the attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.